Vanakkam. Good morning, friends. Since morning, we have been posting calls in Telegram as well as created WhatsApp group for my premium members. So that's going fine. So I thought can help you guys in YouTube live. Good morning, Ravi. So now we are in a position already, and I have given that call in our Telegram channel as well. 16200 call of Nifty has been bought somewhere around 82 to 87. That is our call, and premium members would have taken that call. Along with that, I have posted that call in our Telegram group as well. Good morning, Srikanth. So if you have any queries, just keep posting. I will try to answer you guys. And before even going into the queries, I just like to remind you guys. You might have been seeing Bharti Airtel falling today, a bit bad, like 5% down, I guess, almost 4.47%. Okay, that is just because of the news that Adani is going to participate in the upcoming 5G spectrum auctions. As of now, Adani Group is saying that they are going to use it for commercial purpose only. They are not going to target for uh, the retail customers. But because of panicness, maybe in future they can also come into retail player kind of stuff if they get license. So because of that fear only Bharti is falling. So if you are having Bharti in your portfolio, don't worry at this present stage. But if you want to add, you can add slowly from now onwards. Until this panicness clears, there will be ups and downs in Bharti. So once everything is over, he will automatically climb up. Don't worry about it. Even if there is a third player, nothing to worry. He will automatically climb. So that's all about Bharti. Banks are doing a very good show today because of its. Market has fell down less just because of banks. If banks also have started falling, maybe Nifty could have come down near our level 16,000 where we could have bought. But unfortunately, we were not able to buy because it hasn't reached our level. We were trying to buy around 16040, 16050 levels, but he turned from 16106 itself. You all very well know that I don't rush or run behind anything, so that's the reason we have avoided it. I bought Asian Paints put option. Good morning, Vijay. Um, Let me address the first query. Asian Paints 2850 put option. I don't know why you have gone with the put option because I have been crying that Asian Paints will definitely move up. Let me open the charts and address your query. I will go to my default setup so that you will get everything over there. Asian Paints. Yeah. Asian Paints, actually speaking, I have been crying with everyone saying that this guy is going to move up, and the minimum target which I am expecting was 3000. But I don't know who recommended you to buy a put. But for you, I can give you a stop loss. Do one thing, maintain a stop loss somewhere around 2800 spot. If 2800, oh sorry, you are in put side, right? So if you are in put side, then you may maintain a stop at 2950 spot, or even this high. So 2932. Any close about 2932 on futures, I mean on spot price, you need to exit your put option, because I am expecting 3000 to test first, and then only if you expect any fall, it may come. So it's not advisable to hold a put right now. If you want a stop loss, then you can have a stop loss of 2932 on the higher side. If it closes above this particular level, please exit immediately. Don't wait for daily close. Even in a hourly time frame, if it closes above 2932, you may exit, because the main raw material for Asian Paints or any other paint company is crude. Actually speaking, crude has drifted from 9500 to 8200, which is almost 13-14% down. So if the raw material cost is getting reduced, what will happen? Obviously, their cost is getting reduced. Automatically the stock should move higher. That is what is happening over here. If you see this particular area, this 10-15 days chart, if you go and see, crude would have been falling down. Let me show you. See this. For the same 15 days which we have seen in Asian Paints, crude has been falling from like 9100 to almost 7500, and in between there is a pullback, a rally, and it has gone to 8200. So when prices go down, crude prices go down, paint companies go up. Very simple as that. That's my take on Asian Paints. And now Himadri Specialty. Himadri Specialty. See the charts. Can you get me the correct name? I'm not able to. This one is Himmat Singha, I believe. This is not Himadri. HSCL is something different. I think HSCL. Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited. Bro, do one favor, Vijay. Please let me know the script code, like what I'm expecting, what it will be, how it will be in Zerodha kind of stuff, or any other, whatever the trading platform you use. Script code, please. If you give that, I have a doubt that whether you are asking about HSCL or something like that, but I want to get it clarified from you, because I am not able to find something like Himadri Specialty in the name which you have given. So please give me the full name. I'll be able to help you in a better way. Let me wait for some time until you respond. Who's the dragger now? Nakri, which we have given in Telegram, is a very good bet. That's the one which I have given, right? Nakri or Mindtree? Yeah, Nakri. Nakri is that is Info Edge. It's a very good bet. If it works, you will end up with a jackpot. But for that, you need to wait till the result outcome of Mindtree on Friday. I mean, 30th. Because these are all mid-cap companies. One mid-cap company which, if it comes with good results, everything will fire on the higher side, same direction. Just in anticipation that it will come up with good results. Mindtree. HSCL, yeah, correct. I had a doubt whether I'm looking it correctly or not. That's why I have inquired you. See, this fellow has given a buy signal on Super Trend just 4 days back. As I always used to say, you people, when Super Trend gives a buy signal, the next 5 days minimum, the stock will either go on the upside or whatever it may be, whichever direction. If the super trend gives buy signal or if the super trend gives sell signal, whatever it may be, from day 1 till day 5 minimum, it will continue on the same trend or it will be in a consolidation kind of stuff. Definitely it will not come into the opposite trend. So for this was the first day, second, third and fourth day today. So tomorrow might be the fifth day. So if there is any consolidation or minor fall, it may come from tomorrow, not today. Okay, that is the stuff. And if you want to enter right now, this is not the good place to enter. So where you can enter, I would say somewhere around 69.70 if you get, you can enter the stock for 100 rupee target. And your stop loss, if you want, then you may have a stop loss at 55 or even the 200 moving average, which is at 58. 58 would be a good stop loss. And if it comes to 69, you can buy it. So your loss will be like 10 11 points, and on the higher side you will get 30 points minimum. That will be your target. That's all about HSCL. Why should I be negative on that particular sector? Can you give me a reason, Madhav? You will not find an answer for it, right? If you find an answer, you may message me even personally also, or if it is messaged in the group, it will be helping for everyone. See, I am positive on metals because it's one of the major commodity. Okay, without metals you can't manufacture cars. Without metals you can't manufacture copper wires. Without metals you can't do batteries. You can't do anything. Basically speaking, you can't go and construct a building without steel. These are all basic things. So I normally go with basic things, basic analysis. I don't do deep research about the international pricing, whether there is supply demand, supply higher or demand higher or whatsoever it is. See, these are all basic things where the necessity is must. So that's the reason I'm always bullish, like bullish on metals. So and moreover, it has fell down drastically almost. If you look at the commodity prices across the world, I mean across the MCX market, uh, maybe 1.5 months before we have seen zinc around 400 rupees. Now it is quoting around 275, which is nearly 30% downside. Same way, copper was trading above 800. It has come down to 675, 650 even. Let me see the commodity stuffs for you. Okay. See this thing. Copper drifted down from 800 to 650. Aluminium drifted down from 290 to 208. Zinc drifted from 400 plus to 276. Obviously, they are supposed to raise. Whether there is demand, no demand, whatever it may be, obviously they are supposed to raise. So nothing to worry at all. If you are invested in metals, I think I have given 2 calls for you people in metals. That is like JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, I guess. On Friday, I have given that call. Just keep holding them. Damn sure you will get at least I'm saying my target one. JSW Steel we bought at 6 rupee 50 paise. I mean, I'm sorry, Jindal Steel we bought at 6 rupees 50 paise, right? Now it is at 9 rupee 50 paise. I would have said that small players go and book profits, but I have some confidence that it will move higher. That's the reason I haven't alerted my members. You very well know about me, Madhav. My alerts will come only on time. I don't give running commentaries like this as mood, like 1 rupee, 2 rupees, kind of stuff. HSCL in Zerodha also rate is bro. Vijay, what are you speaking? In Zerodha also rate is 87.5 means in NSE market itself it is 87.5. You see in Zerodha, you see in Upstock, you see in Allies Blue, wherever it go, the price will be same, right? You bought at 78, that nothing wrong in it. You bought at 78, nothing wrong in it, but your stop loss should be 58. I was thinking that you are asking for a fresh entry right now at 85, 85, 88 kind of stuff. Nothing wrong in it. If you see something like it is drifting towards 69 again, you can add some more and maintain a stop loss at 58. What happened? Whether Bank Nifty has given us opportunity? Oh my God, our price was around 270. This fellow comes at 310 and climbs up. We don't rush, guys. I hate rushing and I hate running behind something. That is why I'm picking calls only when I see an opportunity. I never rush behind anything. No, don't in your calls are just improving my knowledge. Yeah, improving knowledge is very fine, Madhav. See, think something basically. Don't do deep research kind of stuff. Because if you do deep research kind of stuff, you will get confused definitely. Very simple. Can you build a house without steel? Very simple. Ask this question to yourself. Can you make a engine of a car without aluminium? This can you make a wire the electrical wire which we are using at our home without copper, that will answer your query. See, everything in markets comes up, down, up, down, up, down. This is how market functions. There will be a phase where it will come down, and there will be a phase where it will go up also. So when it comes down, you try to catch at lower levels instead of rushing and going and catching it at higher levels. If you see at least 10 of my calls, we might have chased only one call. The remaining 9, it would have been trading somewhere at 9 rupees. I would be saying buy only when it comes to 6 rupees. All you need to do is just put a order at 6 rupees and keep quiet. Automatically he will come and then he will trigger our order. Nothing wrong. We need to have patience. Improving knowledge is must to sustain in this field. So even now I still learn. I wouldn't say I have enough knowledge and I know everything in markets. Of course, nothing is like, nobody in the world can say like that. Maybe I can know max to max 3 to 5% of markets. That's all. Max to max I am saying. There are plenty of things in market. Every day market teaches us a lesson. So now friends, if you have any queries, just post it. I can answer you. Actually speaking, instead of scheduling YouTube live at 9 a.m. and waiting for people to join, I think this kind of approach is very good for me. Whenever I find time in between the market hours, maybe from 9 o'clock till 3:30 in the evening, whenever I find time, all of a sudden if I put YouTube live, at least 4 to 5 people are joining, whoever is really live and interested in joining. See, we are just 6 people, but I have got nearly 4 queries to answer. We want Tata Steel and Hindalco. I am looking for upside, bro. Tata Steel I am expecting 990 and Hindalco I am expecting 400 plus. I have given a 360 call for my members and I have suggested to book that also, but the target which I have given is 40 for that. So if the 360 call has to come to 40 means it has to move to 40, it must move to 400. Very simple. I don't require charts for Hindalco, Tata Steel. There are a couple of stocks which I watch day in day out daily basis. So for these stocks I don't require any charts. Hindalco, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, Reliance, IndusInd, Axis, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, M&M, Maruti, Escorts, Hero Moto, Eicher Motors, TCS, Infosys, L&T, Bharti, HUL, Britannia. These are the stocks. I don't require any charts for these 22 stocks. Everything is there in my mind. If you want, I can review the charts for you so that at least you may understand why I am saying these levels. This is the daily chart of Hindalco. So he has triggered a sell signal over here 3 months back. April, May, June, all 3 months he has been in the downside. Now the 4th month, he is nearing the super trend. This thick maroon line is the super trend, which you see right now. So once that super trend has a line has crossed, and if it trades for maybe 1 or 2 days above that level, you will get a buy signal as per the super trend. What I said, as per the super trend, if you get one signal, that signal will continue for next 5 days minimum. So this super trend value is right now at 372. So if it crosses 375, the next immediate target is 400. and moreover it has given us clear confirmation for us by staying exactly near the 10 and 20 moving averages for the last 10 days. This blue line is the dark blue line is the 10 moving average, and this center black line of Bollinger Band is the 20 moving average. And along with this, you are seeing stochastic moving continuously on the higher side. MACD is also on the positive note, and RSI is also improving. RSI, once it goes above 50, it will be a strong and conclusive buy for Hindalco. Same kind of charts you will see for Tata Steel also. It is exactly the replica, right? Almost the same kind of charts. Look at the way from where he has dropped. Hindalco dropped from April. This fellow dropped from mid of April, right? Same kind of stuff. Starts. Past 10 days hovering between 10 and 20 moving average. Given a close about 20 moving average on 2 days back. One day, the very next day, it gave a close exactly at 20 moving average, and now he is exactly hovering above the 20 moving average. So today's close will be more important. If it is above 20 moving average, in a day or two he will cross this super trend figure, which is at 935. The moment he crosses 935, 1000 will be the target. Since 1000 is a 4-digit number and psychological one, I say that it will be at 990. Hope you understand, Vijay. If I have gone a bit fast, please rewind and see the video later so that it might help you. Nifty coming down, coming down, coming down. Who's the culprit now? Can we see? Reliance, actually speaking, is at higher levels only. IT pack is the culprit. Because of TCS, IT pack becomes the culprit. Everything is cracking on IT. Actually speaking, we should have bought Dixon instead of entering Mindtree. Could have delivered us, but we have taken Naukri and Mindtree. Let's see. HCL Tech down to, yes, look at the fall in IT, entire IT, 3.3% almost in Infosys, TCS 4.5, Wipro 2.08, HCL Tech 3.3, Tech Mahindra 2.5, Coforge. This mid-cap IT companies, we will not be able to judge where these guys will stop. Now moving back here, let's see whether this fellow gives an opportunity this time. Bank Nifty 35,200 call. So friends, any questions you may ask me. Will Nifty go below? If Nifty breaks the morning low of 16106, then he will definitely come to our level of 16057. Banks slowly coming down. Um, Let me see what is the level which we have decided. Yeah, 270 That's the price where we are going to buy Bank Nifty. But this showing some bit of upside can be expected in zinc actually. This copper saying copper. Actually, zinc was a positional sell which was given on Friday. Very unfortunate that our level missed by just 10 paise. 281.25 was the price which we placed an order for sell, but it made a high of 281.15 and then drifted down from there. Friends, if you have any questions, you may ask me. I'm ready to help you. Nifty, the open option chain says Bank Nifty has support around 35,200. Nifty has not broken the morning high. That's good actually. Can we see if any POF is getting activated? This is the chart. One day, oh, above 160 only it is a buy. Big divergence because of IT pack between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Look at here, Nifty has not even crossed Friday's low. It has just crossed Friday's low and then came down. But whereas Bank Nifty has not even touched Friday's low. 35016 was the low on Friday. This fellow has not even touched Friday's low. It's right. That shows the strength. All we require is if Nifty stops falling, the IT pack especially, if it stops falling, automatically the rest will take care of moving on the higher side. The problem is it drags everything along with it because many are part of Nifty 50 companies. Infi, TCS, HCL, Viprotech, Tech Mahindra, everything is part of this thing. Let me pull out the contribution chart. Look at the 5 out of the 7 draggers, we have 5 from IT pack. TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra. Out of the first 7, we have 5 from IT. The remaining 2 are Bharti and Reliance. It's a bit strange, actually speaking.
தேர்வு செய்யப்பட்டு
if Nifty stops, I mean, especially the IT index, if that stops falling, that itself is more good. That others will automatically take care of things to move on the higher side. Banks are doing very good, actually, especially the biggies, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Kotak is the sole underperformer in banks. Manipur. Even in this market, this fellow is trading in green. So guys, approximately nearly 30-35 minutes we had our session. Do you have any queries? If so, I will address, else we can wind up the session. So I haven't got any response, which means I think people are happy with the sudden live move. Let's wind off the session today. Tomorrow, like uh, as and when I find time, I will try to have a live session like this. Maybe any time between the market hours. Whoever willing to participate can participate and ask your queries and clarifications rectified. Have a good day, friends. Bye. See you all.